Most people don't need more time. They just need better control of the time they already have. If your days feel chaotic or unproductive, these simple time management hacks will change everything. The 3-task priority rule. Every morning before you touch your phone, list 3 tasks you must complete today. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Your brain performs better when it has fewer targets. This rule forces clarity, reduces overwhelm, and guarantees progress even on your busiest days. The 2-minute rule. If something will take less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Replying a message, sending a quick email, putting something back in place. These tiny actions stop small tasks from piling up and stealing your focus later. The Pomodoro Focus Method. Set a timer for 25 minutes, focus on one task, then rest for 5. That's 1 Pomodoro. After 4 rounds, take a longer 15 to 20-minute break. This keeps your brain sharp, prevents burnout, and massively increases deep work time, especially if you struggle with distractions. Time blocking. Instead of working reactively, schedule your day in blocks. A work block, a break block, a learning block, a rest block. When everything has a place in your schedule, you stop multitasking and start working with intention. Digital Minimalism. Your phone is your biggest time thief. Turn off non-essential notifications. Put distracting apps into one folder, and set Do Not Disturb while working. Small changes like these can give you back hours every week. Weekly reset. Every Sunday, take 10 minutes to review your week. What worked? What didn't? What do you want to improve? This keeps your goals aligned and prevents you from drifting. Time management isn't about being busy, it's about being intentional. Start applying these small habits today and watch how much your productivity transforms. If you want more videos like this, subscribe for daily productivity and self-improvement tips.